I am Brian Logue, Managing Partner of the Anchor Group here at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Fox and Roach Realtors in Ocean City. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our video update series. To be clear, we're not going to spam you, we're not going to harass you, call you, email you, soliciting anything from you. We're just going to provide you with information. This is a video update series that will include videos relating to latest market updates, what we're seeing going on here at the shore, oftentimes specifically in Ocean City. Also, tips and tricks relating to buying properties at the shore. There's a lot of nuances to buying properties here close to the ocean. And also, you will see various other updates about goings on here at the shore, or even the changes to the laws relating to real estate tied to the National Association of Realtors settlement. So please, click subscribe. Promise we won't harass you with anything. And of course, if we can assist you, feel free to raise your hand and we will be able to help from there. Hope to see you on a video soon.